Moncton, November 9160, Yankee request descent.
I've called the Moncton, say again?
That was November 9160, Yankee request descent.
November 9160 Yankee, descend 5,000, the Charlottetown altimeter is 2971.
5,000, 2971, November 9160 Yankee. 5,000 feet is set.
Golf Alpha Bravo Whiskey, contact Montreal Center 134.65. Good day. 3465, good day.
As we're approaching 10,000 feet now, we can take the canolas off. (10,000 feet), lights are on. Reaching now a manifold pressure of 21 inches, so from now on, during the descent, we reduce throttle to maintain 21 inches and adjust the mixture accordingly. Number 9160 Yankee, we have the airport inside. We join left-hand downwind for our landing runway 28.
60 Yankee, Charlottetown altimeter, roger. Check you just entered the downwind left there at this time. Report final, runway 21, and the turbulence should start there anytime there now.
Very good, thanks. We're looking forward to that.
Check.
Let's go to approach. Speed 140, gear down. Gear is down, check on the green.
For information, we'll be ready to
Make sure
push pretty soon, and heads up, we'll be probably airborne around 1950.
Yeah, roger that. Right now, the active runway is 28. Preferred runway for you is 21, wind 250, magnetic at 21, gust 27, altimeter 29er, 69er, 2 IFRs to land within the next 5 minutes, runway 28, Seagull.
Well, flap speed, full flaps.
We're planning 21 for departure, Transat 2006, we'll stand by for clearance.
Full flaps indicated. Prop forward, there's a turbulence.
The Mooney traffic's just turning base over the river for runway 28.
160 Yankee now turning final approach, runway 28, moderate turbulence.
60 Yankee, roger. Check your base to final, runway 28, moderate turbulence, wind 250 at 19, gusting 27. The beach 1900 traffic about 5 miles in trail.
960 Yankee. One glide pass. Ground speed is down to 50 knots.
Guido 7584, Charlottetown, the traffic you're following is the Mooney. They're about half mile final, runway 28.
Check marks, turn 6.5 final, Guido 7584.
Roger.
Speed brakes out to stabilize the approach. flaps not standard up.
November 9160 Yankee Charlie, your convenience, continue straight ahead and then left turn onto runway 21. I'll follow that all the way to the end and we right turn taxi Alpha for the GA. Your flight plan is closed.
Thanks for closing the flight plan left on 21 right on Alpha to the GA parking.